Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Bueller here with another great Baron to show you today. Now you know, we specialize in only the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. And today I've got a 1981 E55 Baron to show you. Now if you know Barons, you probably know the E55 is the hot rod of the Barons. Great takeoff, climb, and cruise performance. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at our engines. They are Teledyne Continental IO 520, 285 horsepower engines, $17.95 on the engines and airframe since new, but only 250 hours since overhaul. And check out our prop, it's an alcohol prop, and only $11.30 on the prop since prop overhaul. So let's check out your nose baggage compartment. We can carry up to 300 pounds of your favorite things up here. You can even take your golf clubs if you take the woods off of them. And one of my favorite features about this, we have the spring thing, and I love that because it prevents us from getting bonked in the head. When you have a fast E-Baron like this, you're going to want to take her places and show her off. Perfect transportation machine for the fam or for your business. Now this aircraft carries 166 gallons of usable fuel, and you'll be interested to know only one owner or the same owner since 2005, and the airplane has always been hangared. The exterior of this E55 is striking, Matterhorn white overall with blue and maroon stripes. It could use a little TLC, it does need paint. So we love the large baggage door the Baron is known for. We can carry up to 120 pounds back here in the aft compartment, 400 in the cabin, and the useful load for this aircraft is impressive, 1593. So come on in, have a seat with me. Let's check out the interior. The seats are blue and gray tweed cloth, and we've got tan carpet, and it's in good condition. And we do have shoulder harnesses for every seat on board the aircraft. The flight deck on this Baron is equipped with an S-Tec 55X digital autopilot with altitude hold and Glideslope coupling, an EFIS HSI integrated to the autopilot and your nav GPS 1, a Garmin 430 GPS Navcom with WAAS, a Garmin GMX 200 multi-function display with terrain in Chartview, Garmin 496 GPS with XM weather and music, a Sperry color weather radar. We also have a standby artificial horizon and DG, Insight 1200 graphic engine monitor, and Shadin digital fuel flow. Other features you will appreciate: the alcohol prop and windshield anti-ice, strobe lights, 3-light system, wingtips and tail, Rosen sun visors. Useful load is 1593. We do have dual control wheels, stainless steel screws and fasteners, factory installed oxygen system, and inertia wheel shoulder harnesses on all seats. So this 1981 Baron is looking for a new home. Now remember, only 250 hours on the engine since major overhaul. This being an E55, it is the hot rod of the Baron, so if you like to go fast, you like great takeoff, climb, and cruise performance, this bird is for you. So we invite you to come see us. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. As you know, we are Carolina Aircraft. We'd love for you to come take her for a test drive. And Baron School, it is included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new Baron. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.